Whakalawhai atu, ko aku Koni-Leigh Liuvaie. Today we're exploring Totara Reserve. Today we're at Totara Reserve, checking out the bushes. Vau uhi, vau uhi. There was a lot of trees at Totara Reserve. Trees in Niue is a cow. Trees, a cow, trees. This is the chapel that you can find at the Bushwalk. The soil is very soft. I think that's why there's a lot of big trees. Soil in Niue is kili-kili. Soil, kili-kili, soil. This is a kawa tree. The Maori people used to use it for sores or medicine. So you get a piece and then you chew on it. You put it on your eye. My nose is like teeth. If you're lost in the bush, you can do a kalanga. That means shout. If you're lost in the bush, Towson! Thanks. If you see a stranger, don't talk to them. Just keep walking. When you go for a bushwalk, you need shoes. Survive shoes. Survive shoes. Don't be like my sister. You need shoes for this walk. We just discovered that this plant is not your friend. The black parts are pretty sharp, so avoid it. Our last lesson for today is learning different parts of the trees in Niue. Starting with this part of the tree. The tree trunk. Patua go. Tree trunk. Patua go. Tree trunk. Look what we found. We found a cedar, but it's already dead. It's just the shell. These are tree roots. They normally grow on the ground, but since this one forward, that means the roots are up. Roots in Niue is okoko. Roots. Okoko. Roots. Another part of the tree are the seeds. You can find them on the trees or on the floor when they fall down. Seeds in Niue are sanga-ako. Seeds. Sanga-ako. Seeds. Next part of the tree are the tree branches. The tree branches are the small parts of the tree. Tree branches in Niue is la-la-ako. Tree branches, la-la-ako. Tree branches. The last part of the tree are these green tree leaves. Lo-ako. Tree leaves. Lo-ako. Tree leaves. Use your eyes to look so then you don't stumble like on the tree roots. Bushwalks are good for whakahauers, so get out and explore Totara Reserve. I made it! That was a short Niue lesson for today. What Niue words did you learn? You can use those Niue words on your own bushwalk. Koni-Leigh Liuvaie.